Hello and welcome back to my channel. So right now I am in Haridwar and we are moving towards Har Ki Pauri, which is the main ghat where like everybody takes the holy dip. Yeah, it's a sunny day and it is what? It is almost 10 a.m. Let's go to Har Ki Pauri in Haridwar. Chalo. Also, it's very crowded, so I love it. We're gonna see a lot of people. Okay. Sorry. So Ganga Maya, the Ganga Mother River, is considered to be the holiest river in India. So like we love and we really feel blessed to take a holy dip. So this is why all these people are here. And if I had more clothes, from Rishikesh, if I had brought more clothes, then I would also have taken a dip. But it's okay. Let's watch people do it. This person is swimming. Wow. I wish I knew swimming. एक प्लेट छोले कुलचे कर दीजिए भैया। एक प्लेट में कितने पीस होते हैं? 2 छोले, मतलब छोले का मसाला तेज कर देना। We are hungry. First we'll eat food. So this stuff is called matar. This thing is called matar, and this is called kulcha. And then you put onion, tomato, all these masalas, and you fry the kulcha. So this stuff is also like really big in North India. You will not really find it much in South. And if you will, it will not be as delicious. It could be, I mean, there's a possibility, but that's very low. Okay. कितने की है प्लेट?
40 रुपये।
अचार ज़्यादा दे देना। अचार है क्या?
अचार नहीं रखते हम।
मिर्ची रखते हो? मिर्ची दे दो।
आ जा।
इसमें डाल दो।
चैनल है कोई?
है? हाँ चैनल है, यूट्यूब चैनल शी वॉकिन के नाम से। एक मिर्ची भी दे दो भैया इसके ऊपर।
शी वॉकिंग।
शी वॉकिन। थैंक यू। These people are very smart to bring their own sheets and stuff. Sit under the tree to eat Okay, there's less space for me to eat and shoot and try to. Very nice. I'll be back. Okay, moving on. So that was okay. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't delicious for 40 rupees. But then this is like a touristy place, so you cannot really expect crazy tasty food. I'm sorry. When I get little disappointed, I can't fake it. Okay, Har Ki Pauri. Sorry.
गंगा जी में दिखा दो, दोबारा मत दिखाओ। वहीं नहीं छोड़ दूंगा, वहीं बिठा दूंगा।
So Haridwar is actually the place that took our channel to somewhere almost 3 years ago, 2.5 years ago. And yeah, it took us to somewhere and then it got stagnant. And we've been stagnant ever since. I mean, we are growing, but for 4 years we're nowhere. Yeah. I mean, I don't want to sound disappointed, but I can be sometimes now. I'll be back. Poha, I'm also gonna have poha. कितने का भैया पोहा है? एक दे दीजिए. सॉस नहीं.
मसाला?
हाँ. मसाला अच्छे से डाल.
किसकी वीडियो मेरी बना रहे हो क्या?
नहीं, खाने की बना रही हूँ आपकी शक्ल की.
वो नाश्ता गर्मा गरम नाश्ता 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 भी गर्मा गरम नाश्ता. चैनल है.
चैनल है.
किस नाम से?
शी वॉक इन. नहीं, सॉस नहीं.
ये लो दीदी.
ओके, थैंक यू. 25 बोले?
5 रुपए दिया भाई वापस. वो का नाश्ता ये लो दीदी.
ओके, थैंक यू. So I am pretty serious about my breakfast. Yeah, we're gonna have another one and see if we feel any better and if we're less chidi. Decent. I'll go ahead and have it and come back. Ganga Mata. Hare Ram. Okay, stay tuned to see what happens in the next video of Haridwar. Thanks a lot for watching. Sorry I was complaining too much, but it's okay. Thanks.